Hey everybody, so it's Sparrow. Welcome back to my channel, and I have on too much blush. Please forgive me if it distracts you for the rest of the video. I miscalculated. Anyway, welcome back to another anti-haul, so let's just go ahead and get started, okay? So I did get a request in the last anti-haul comments where someone asked, beyond just what my anti-hauling, also trying to go over like some stuff that I'm thinking about getting. So we're gonna take that suggestion, see how this goes. But the first thing I'm not buying is going to be the Manny MUA eyeshadow palette from I think it's called Lunar Beauty. So the palette from Lunar Beauty, which is run by Manny MUA, is called Life's a Drag. Between all the controversy and drama that just basically comes with the fact that Manny MUA used to be friends with Jeffree Star, I really don't watch his channel. I'm not a fan I've never watched his content enough to say I'm not a fan. I am a fan of his stuff, of his work. Going further, the palette is everything I would suggest for a first palette. However, I have many palettes already. This is not a practice of I'm canceling him because Jeffree Star is canceled. This is I don't need it, so I'm not gonna buy it because it's for someone else. It's definitely interesting. It's definitely not just the same old run-of-the-mill. It's not completely unwearable. There's a nuance to it, where you can make like a big, bright, bold drag look, or you could do a neutral drag look, or you can do a regular everyday look, you could do a colorful everyday look. You don't really have to be so one or the other with it, if you know what I mean. You don't have to do that, which I completely am like, I'm down for it. I feel that, I love that. I just wouldn't buy it for myself. It's also $45. It's a bit higher price, but again, with the market that the way he markets himself and his viewer base, they're going to spend that $45 because they're watching him do makeup. They want to do makeup like him. They think if I buy this palette, I can do makeup like him. And you can, to an extent. I definitely think that I wouldn't buy the product myself, but I feel like it works. The next thing is from Tarte Cosmetics. Tarte's technically canceled. Like, I feel like I tried to do an anti-haul where I was like, Tarte's canceled and blah, blah, blah. But the point was made. The point has been made. Tarte is just a bad brand. But since I didn't cancel it, I'm going to continue talking about when they make really poor choices. And one of them is going to be this $50 limited edition gold skincare. Now, I used to be into gold in my skincare. Like, I felt like everything had to be gold. Currently, I understand, like, a lot of people linked me resources to understand gold is actually not in any way beneficial to your skin. In fact, in higher doses it would be harmful. It doesn't kill being pretty though, but it definitely is just not worth it. For $50 you're getting a non-greasy vegan face oil and a face balm, and it sounds like it's a hydrating face oil and then some kind of hydrating face balm. You can get that at a cheaper price point with different brands, or something that actually targets more issues in your skin and doesn't have to have gold in it. So I'm not about that life. Also, and I'm so mad at Tarte because everything at Tarte's purple, and I love purple, and they're just a bad brand. They're also going to be expanding their Shape Tape foundation, Shape Tape concealer, all that shit range. You should have did that when you released the foundation. You should have did that before you released the foundation. You're done. I'm done. We're done. We're just gonna go away, Tarte. Just go away. Alright, next is the Laura Lee Los Angeles lipstick trio. I'm not gonna come for the Nudie Patootie palette because it's actually very pretty. It's different enough that she's trying to aim for a certain type of market and she hit it. I'm not going to come for people if you're aiming for a specific market and you hit it. I'm going to come for your 3 lipstick range, which are all on the darkest model. They're all kind of just not really nude. If you're going to make nude lipsticks in 3 colors, On all 3 of your models, one of the shades should just straight up be nude on them. This is not hard. I hate short ranges. When I review, if I ever talk about a product, like last time I talked about a product that has a short range, I admitted, you know, it's not a great range. They're known for better things. This is the poor thing. With lipsticks, I just feel like, please go deeper, or at least it shouldn't be a $38 bundle for 3. I'm just saying, because I'm pretty sure the colors look very, 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 very similar to the Makeup Shayla ColourPop lipstick trio, but the price point very far apart. So you can see why I'm like, Laura, you're not helping you, you're not helping me, you're not helping my case here when I say it's not a reason to buy it. She's not aiming for anything new. She's not on a course for greatness with this product. So sometimes we do have to come for the old, you know, the old dogs in the yard. MAC, what are you doing? These are the old sweetie lip color glosses. I know what glossy lips are in right now. Like glossy lips, this is a trend. It's gonna be the trend for 2018. I'm so mad because I hate gloss. If you're wearing lime green glossy lips, I'm gonna look at you weird in public. I'm just gonna do it. It's not because there's something wrong with you. It's just because I'm gonna wonder. Lime green glossy lips. Okay. I don't know. Something about like this is just that one thing that I just don't like, and I can't come up with a good reason. The packaging's cute and all, kind of biting. Cute, packaging's cute and all, kind of biting off of Beauty Bakery's whole shtick of like everything is food or sprinkles or something themed. So I don't like that, but I definitely was just like, all right. I mean, it's something about it rubs me the wrong way. It's 15 shades for $17, and that's a lot of money for lip gloss, but for MAC it's normal. MAC lip glosses are still sticky though. I just don't like it. I'm just gonna go with the clean, I don't like it. Last but not least, I have to anti-haul this because it's just based on principle, and it is, you know what? I'm not gonna anti-haul this. This is just something, it's not just something I don't like, it's just something to be brought up. So obviously we all know about Kim Kardashian West Beauty, her brand, Kim Kardashian's brand, Kim Kardashian West brand. Her brand is definitely a nude. She's marketing towards an aesthetic that she was doing a few years ago. She's marketing the things that made her so popular and made her look so popular. But at the same time, she's marketing all this stuff again years later. And that's where I kind of get like, I think of the brand as like, she's kind of always behind her own trend. She's behind these new, like right now she's releasing a full nude lip collection with 8 shades, right? 8 very targeted shades for every skin tone. And I'm about that up until we come to the 8 shades are kind of all grayish in tone. And a lot of people are like, cancel, sorry, cancel, sorry, cancel. And I'm like, but why? Because on all 6 of the different models for the lip swatches, each one has a shade that is a perfect nude on them. And I don't mean perfect nude like it blends in. I mean perfect nude like it's, my lips are better. It's a good color. They're very good colors. Every model has an option. Now if you are the deepest of shades, you're going to find that a lot of the shades are going to be a lip liner kind of color. But if you're the lighter the shades, the lightest, you're going to find everything is going to get kind of like less nude and more. Now you're looking at your dark, vampy, dark nudes and colors like that. Everyone kind of has an aesthetic. Like you're going to bounce between like a 3 shade kind of thing. And I kind of am with that because I like that everyone kind of has like a light nude, true nude, dark nude option. Everyone has that little 3. So I don't know why I'm not going to buy it because the shipping with the Kardashian Jenner makeup companies is really high, and then there's no returns, which is just, my wallet don't work that way. But definitely I see it as a really interesting thing that people are canceling it when there's not really a need or a reason to cancel it, if that makes sense. I don't know. The last thing I'm going to anti-haul, and the actual thing I will be finishing this anti-haul with, is the Too Faced. Yes, I still will drag Too Faced. The Too Faced Metallic Liquid Lips. Stop making metallic liquid lipsticks. They make your lips look like a shiny butthole, but not glossy shiny butthole, just a weird shiny butthole. Stop it. I'm okay with my dry butthole lips right now. Like, it always burns me. It burns me when people make these. But it's even more burning because it's Too Faced made their melted liquid lipsticks, and they made regular melted, and then they made the metallic ones, and then they're discontinuing all that and focusing on the mattes because that's what everyone wanted in the first place. And now they're doing matte metallic, and I'm going, stop. Improve the formula of your liquid lipsticks, because they're not, the formula of them very smeary, too hydrating almost. They don't stay. There's too many brands that make them like that. I'm looking for something that's going to stay on my lips, and if I do this, I don't get a transfer. Like, I'm gonna need that in my life right now. You're not bringing that to the table, Too Faced. Bringing a lot of weird shit to the table. You just released a festival collection and then a natural collection, and now we're metallic matte lips. And I'm just like, why are you not pairing these pair your stuff correctly? Because you're bothering me, and it's bothering me. But also, it's just not on trend. They need to be releasing more of their vinyl, I think they're liquid vinyl or something like that. They're like a gloss. They need to be releasing more of their glosses. They need to be releasing glitter glosses because they love glitter so much. They're not aiming, and they're shooting in all the different directions trying to catch a different trend, and they're not catching the trend. Does that make sense? And that bothers me. Right there. Because they could do so much better. And you know they can, and I know they can, and they're not. You feel me? And then what I am buying, my planned purchase list is actually going to be really short because I think I'm going to be dropping a little bit of money on this. And that's going to be the new MAC Patrick Star collaboration. Every season there's one, and I've gotten all of them. Just showing you the palettes just because they're right next to me. I have the Holiday 2017 quad. I have the Floral Realness, so this is Spring 2018. We're about to get the Summer 2018 collection, which I believe is called, Diva Fever. So it is a face kit including a highlighter, a bronzer, an eyeshadow palette, and 2 glosses. You already know face kit wise, I'm about that life. I love the face kit. It's like 50 bucks and you get like 4 or 5 products from MAC. That's pretty bomb. It looks like there's only going to be one face kit this time, so you don't have to decide in between the two. I got the Me So Chic one, and you can watch the video on that right here. But beyond that, just going in that direction. Looking like a bronzer. The bronzer looks a little bit light. But I did think that the bronzer from the I'm Not Blushing duo from the Floral Realness looked bright. And it's actually a pretty great tone for my face. So I'm not that scared as I was. The highlighter, I think it might be separate though, guys. And if it is, that's like another $30-something on top of the $50 that I'm going to spend on the face kit. But I'm going to go to my local MAC store. They said that they don't get really long lines for MAC Patrick Star stuff, so I might be able to pick that up. The other thing I'm considering is actually for MAC as well. It's going to be MAC X Aaliyah. Aaliyah was an R&B singer from the 90s who tragically passed away at her prime. In short, I'm a mid to late 90s baby. A lot of the old R&B stuff that I listen to is different, or I'm just really bad with music, so people always have to musically educate me every fucking day. But I do love the colors and the theme and aesthetic of the stuff that they're making. And it looks like they're working with her family and her fans to make products that actually, fit her. Like the Maxilena collection, again, another artist that was tragically taken away from this world too soon. Definitely I'm like interested in the colors and everything in that collection. I'm considering purchasing that. But anyway, this blush is really distracting to look at on the viewfinder, you guys. Like, it's driving me crazy. Like, actually just crazy. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you like more stuff like this, like anti-hauls, tutorials, first impressions, reviews, and others like that, you should just go ahead and subscribe. Just do that for me. Let me know down in the comments section, what are you anti-hauling? And also, what kind of stuff do you want to see in an anti-haul video? Do you just want me to talk shit about products all day? Do you want me to anti-haul stuff I already own, you know, stuff like that? Let me know, because anti-haul videos are not supposed to be boring, but I just realized I don't know how frequent new releases come out, but right now everything's kind of slow, so there wasn't a lot to talk about. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'm going to see you guys next time, okay? Bye!